This is a lecture on information system security. Today we are going to discuss Elgamal encryption algorithm in unit 3. So Elgamal encryption is a public key crypto system. It uses asymmetric key encryption for communicating between two parties and encrypting the message. This crypto system is based on the difficulty of finding discrete logarithm in a cyclic group. So first step in this algorithm is the key generation, second is the encryption, and third step is the decryption. So in the key generation step we have to select three keys. The first is we have to select a large prime number p. Now secondly we have to select decryption key or the private key capital D. Now in the second step we have to select second part of the encryption key or the public key E1, and then we have to select the third part of encryption key by computing E2 equal to E1 key power D mod of P. Now in fifth step uh, we can see that this E1 comma E2 comma P is our public key and our private key is capital D. Now for performing encryption, our ciphertext is the combination of ciphertext 1 and ciphertext 2. The ciphertext 1 is calculated as E1 key power R mod of P, and ciphertext 2 is calculated as plaintext into E1 key power R mod of P. Now for performing the decryption, um, so to achieve the plain text from the ciphertext, we perform the computation C2 into C1 key power D total key power minus 1 mod of P. Now the second cryptography is the elliptic curve cryptography. So it is an asymmetric or the public key cryptography. It provides equal security with smaller key size as compared to RSA. So an elliptic curve consists of all the points that satisfy an equation of the form y square equal to x cube plus ax plus b. This curve is symmetric about x-axis, and if we draw a line on this curve then it can only touch a maximum of 3 points. So the main quality of this elliptic curve cryptography is that its security is equal as compared to the RSA and other algorithm with the smaller key size. This is a diagram of the elliptic curve. So the logic of elliptic curve cryptography is that if EP be the elliptic curve and consider the equation Q equal to K into P, where Q and P are the points on the curve and here the constant K is less than N. So if K and P are given, then it should be easy to find Q, but if we know Q and P, it should be difficult to find K. So basically it is a trapdoor function, means if we know K and P, then finding the Q is easy, but if we know the Q and P, then finding the constant K is difficult. ECC algorithm. So first the global public element or the global key exchange. So EQ of A comma B is a elliptic curve with parameters a, b and q. Here q is a prime number or an integer of the form 2 की power m, and z a point on the elliptic curve whose order is large value of n. Now user A generates its key. So first select the private key n of A. Here n of A is less than small n. Now calculate the public key P of A. So P of A is equal to n of A into G. Now user B will generate its key. So first user B will select its private key NB. Now n of B is less than n, and second the user will select its public key PB. PB is equal to NB into G. Now calculation of secret key by user A. So user A generate the secret key K by performing NA into PB. Now ECC encryption. So first the message M is encoded into a point on the elliptic curve. Let this point be PM. Now this point is encrypted. So first we have to convert the message onto a point on the elliptic curve, and this point is denoted by P of M. Now we compute the ciphertext. So ciphertext equal to K into G, comma PM plus K into PB. This point will be sent to the receiver. This cipher point is sent to the receiver. Now receiver decrypt this cipher point and he will get the original point after decryption, that is the PM. So for decryption, multiply the first point in the pair with the receiver's secret key. So it first perform the computation K into G into NB. Now it subtract it from the second point in the pair. So PM plus K into PB minus K into G into NB. So we know that PB equal to NB into G. So this finally becomes PM plus KPB minus KPB, and finally we get the original point PM. So this is all about the ECC uh, elliptic curve cryptography algorithm. Thank you.